Alright, what is up guys? It's your girl Hannah back with another video. So, today I am gonna be Miss Handyman. Sorry, it's the best thing I can think of right now. I am going to be making my own shelves and my own organizer thing in my bathroom. Basically, it's gonna be like 3 mason jars on one piece of wood that I'm gonna be able to store my like cotton balls and Q-tips and all of those important toiletry things. This morning I went to Home Depot. I got like 4 big pieces of wood that you'll see me using today, and I recently just got a wood stain color called Golden Pecan, and I just stained all of these pieces of wood the same color so that, you know, it'll match, of course. So why don't we just get started? Hopefully this goes well. Kind of nervous, don't do this stuff often, so just know that if it's easy for me, it'll be real easy for you. Lies, I tell you. Lies. Alright guys, what's up? It is literally later in the day. It's like almost 10, I think. The pieces of wood are dry now, so I am attempting to make these shelves. And I just went ahead and figured out how to do one of them, and then so I could just, you know, quickly film this. I'm gonna put one more of these shelves hanging kind of diagonally right here, like higher up on the wall. Robbie really wants me to hold him right now, but I'm a busy girl. Okay, so what we're gonna do is get this rope. Robbie, you're sitting on it. I have pre-drilled holes in all 4 corners of this wood as well as stained it. What I'm gonna do here is kind of just put this through one of the holes, and then maybe when you get about 3 inches of it out, or maybe even 4 or 5, just go ahead and tie it in a knot. Tie it really tight so it doesn't come undone. And I'm gonna cut it and make sure it's way longer than I actually probably need it. And then I'm just gonna do that. I just realized I might not have enough rope. Okay, so since I don't have that much rope, I don't think I'm gonna make them the same length as these ones, so hopefully it looks good still, but I think it should still look good. So now you're gonna tie these 2 together. Hook screws, get them. So 1 hook screw is in the wall, and I'm just gonna use a tape measure real quick for reference to make sure it's straight. Okay, so you're just gonna wanna place the knots right over the hooks. Okay. Okay, and now I'm going to cut these like this to be a little shorter. Okay, I am kind of down with that.
Sweet.
Yay, they're so cute. And now I've finally begun decorating this wall. This is probably like the cutest, nicest thing I've ever made. If you guys want to make some of these shelves, you could do it for under like, I don't know, like 20 bucks, 25 bucks. Probably under 20 bucks, honestly, just for that project. I'm kind of just level them out evenly. So now I marked where those ball jars were, and now I'm going to So it's the next morning, and I'm going to attempt again, but through a different way, to put these onto this. What I'm gonna do is I got this little pack of little frame hangers. This part where that goes up happens to perfectly fit around there. So I'm gonna put 2 nails through these holes right into the wood. I'm really excited because I think this is gonna work. What I'm gonna do is attach this mason jar now, and you're just gonna tighten it in the hose clamp. And voila! So I'm gonna put this up in my bathroom now. I already have the thing on the back to hang it up. I want this to go right alongside my mirror like this. Okay, so I marked on the wall lightly where I would like it to go. Okay, and now we go fill it up. I'm so excited. I love it. I feel like my room is definitely coming together now and I'm really excited. I hope you guys liked this DIY little thing. I do encourage you to do it. It's very highly functional to have huge mason jars of everything you'll need for the bathroom. And I do recommend y'all getting crafty if you're down. I love just the feeling of, oh, I love this thing and I made it. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I hope you come back for more. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.